Okay, good morning, everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. All right. So, we look into the ASEAN markets today, right? So it really takes a big turns, on what happens today. Well, again, of course, a quick disclaimer before we start our section this morning. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks before we during our discussion this morning, make sure you go on trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. All right. So while we do see a news that makes the market actually turn, okay, uh, from bearish probably to bullish. Okay. So yeah, this is what happened today. Mostly actually do have a gap up this morning. All right. But again, don't be too super bullish lah. But I think temporary, at least for a while, we have some opportunity coming along. Okay, but just that don't too bullish yet. Okay, the tariff war still actually happen between US and China, and we don't know what China next move will be. All right. Of course, looking into the chart itself, it's not bullish as well. Okay, but of course, technical rebound, strong technical rebound do happens. Okay, so yes, morning a lot of stock gap up, which is pretty good. Mostly is in green. But now seems like we have a little bit of profit takings, okay, for some of the counters. So I think I will probably look into the afternoon, okay, to see what is the stock actually having a nice pullback, and then retest support. Then that's where I probably want to look for my a quick opportunity. I don't think this one will really last until July, because they say Trump said it will actually stop for 90 days, temporarily. But like I say, the trade war still happen between China and US. So I think there will still be some volatility. So I don't think it will until July, right? And Trump always change things once, so we never know also. So again, okay, now let's go into the IBM KLCI. So this is let's put this in the weekly chart here, so it's easier for us to refer. Okay, a big hammer happened this week. Today is Thursday. I think Friday. Most probably Friday will close with hammer. All right, but it's not a very strong hammer. This one is actually a gap down hammer, so you have to consider that as well. So maybe for the upcoming weeks, we might retest back 1500. All right, but this one is still a big resistance to cross, because now actually they drop 1500 with gap down. All right, and this will also increasing volume as well. So maybe 1500 will have a strong resistance. Okay, so like I say, yes, market is kind of like rebound, but don't be too bullish. I don't like really all in and hold yet. Okay, so for me, yes, it's a good markets to look into short-term recoveries. Okay, now this is IBM KLCI. Okay, I think most of the sectors should not be a problem. So all is in green. Okay, strong rebound mostly come from tech this morning as well. Okay, I actually I follow tech a lot. Okay, lots of them actually make a gap up. But after I think 10 to 20 minutes started to sell already. Okay, I think Inari, front can are the few counters that happens. But again, let's do into the afternoon. If let's say afternoon, our literature actually form a very strong pullback. Maybe towards the 2 or 3 p.m. I probably will try a little bit, okay, to see whether there's a chance for short-term opportunity with pullback patterns or not. Okay, now let's see. Okay, today my list is green. Okay, very active. Okay, probably we will pick up some counters from here. Okay, and we're going to monitor at least for today or maybe tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is Friday. Now, personally for me, there are two counters that I very follow closely. Okay, even though right now market is for the past couple of weeks market is weak, but these two counter actually for me is still showing a strong patterns. Okay, because they actually do a nice pullback. This is Alcon. Okay, yesterday actually make a hammer, nice one from 40 MA. This morning already up 5%. Okay, well, most probably they will go retest by around 36 cents. Let's try 36 cents. Okay, this is 36, somewhere around this area. Next one is 38. Okay, so well, let's say I go some probably afternoon also. I would like to try as well. Cellcon. Okay, now the other one is K Group. Okay, I think K Group also kind of solid, supported very well around the support area. Okay, so this is again hammer the other day when the market dropped badly. This one formed a hammer nicely. Now still holding around the support area. Okay, so today also up around 5%. Okay, so two very strong sub counters. Okay, that I've been following recently. So yeah, K Group and Celcom. The other one is Mercury Security. Okay, do let me know any counters that are looking into. So probably we'll study together. But probably I will skip this one. I prefer Celcom and K Group more. Okay, unless I spot any other things that very interesting today. Okay, now let's try with Inari first, and we look into some glove. Okay, glove also pretty trending nowadays. Not to say trending, but at least it's active. Okay, selling already. Okay, so still can cross this gap lah. Aiyo. Okay, but this morning gap up lah. Okay, gap up with almost 30%. Okay, but immediately people selling already right now. But it's okay. Let's try hourly. But now it's the first 30 minutes. We cannot see anything yet in hourly chart. That's why I prefer to wait until probably after lunch. Okay, I want to see few hourly candles, how actually they form. Okay, so from there probably we know whether is there any possible chance, okay, on the second round. Okay, so this is Inari. Front can I think is almost the same as well with Inari. Okay, but at least this one currently they are above the gaps area. Again, let's see towards the afternoon whether they're still above the gaps area or not. Okay, front can not bad for me. Okay, okay, let's put my alerts up now. Any things that we can check? SNS, okay. Hey, SNS chain didn't drop badly. Okay, I kind of like SNS. Okay, they're back to this gap. Okay, so SNS, okay, maybe later on afternoon, we will check back again. SNS, KJTS. Okay, let's go back to daily chart. Oh, okay, wow, big drop. Okay, never mind. This is too close with the sell-off bar. So too close with the sell-off bar, normally I will avoid. Okay, net gets. Okay, net gets I think also this it actually didn't really cross the gaps. Okay. So here, okay, very crucial. See whether it can cross the gap or not. Wow, okay. Very active. Lots of stock coming in. I keep coming in. Okay, at least good. We didn't see this market for a few weeks already. Okay, for a few weeks already. Okay, Genentech, okay, same things. Mostly I think tech is same things. Now it's a bit profit taking. So I think probably towards the afternoon we can see the sell better. Okay, just that right now, which one should be focused? I think SNS not bad, but it's, again, it's a 30-hour cents counter. Okay, Me Technovation. Excuse me. Okay, any others? Any others, or maybe any others counter from the audience? Okay, do let me know by comments below. Probably you can check again. Dayang. Okay. Let's try cut point. Okay, Dayang. Mostly at the gap. Okay, copper also the same things. Okay, cannot cross the gaps yet. Okay, very quick now. Everyone taking profits already. TTVHP. Okay, my alert's moving too fast already. Can I catch up? Okay, now let's get into some glove counters. Okay, Top Glove. Hey, McLean actually not bad. Looks like doing a shake up. Okay, Top Glove. Okay. I'll rechart. Oh, this one looks good now, above 90 cents. Okay, so far no profit taking yet, but I'm not sure whether towards the afternoon. But if let's say later on, stay above 90 cents, I think it would be nice. Okay, I expect them later maybe will like this a bit. Okay, so I think Toggle should be quite okay to focus later on towards the afternoon. Okay, let's try Hata. Okay, Hata also. Okay, 2 ringgit 20 cents. Okay, would be nice. Sorry, 2 ringgit 80 cents. Would be nice. Okay, above this area. Okay, so hopefully later on, our chart will start to sideways pull back. Okay, so this is where probably we can look for the uh, opportunity as well. So let's try Gold Sun. Okay, yeah, maybe in one glove lah. So Hata quite nice. Okay, it's also very strong. Okay, so far I think Hata very close with support lah. Okay, this one's slightly far away. Today up around 10% already. Okay, for Gold Sun. Okay, so 1.9 should be quite nice. Okay, so against once I think today actually at least market bullish, so we got some opportunity, but of course this morning mostly gap up. Some of them, especially tech, is having some profit takings right now. Afternoon probably we'll see a better setups. Okay, because yes, I think it's normal gap up. Normally we have some profit takings. If later on during the hourly chart, it do have a nice pullback, probably this is something that I probably will look for. Now, again, if you are in my Telegram, okay, probably we can discuss further in Telegram later on if you spot something that is worth to look into. All right. So, with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning, and I will see you again tomorrow.